Hey team, it's Chenille. So glad you're here. We are in this crazy crash course, and today we're going to be talking about what you need to do when someone contacts you and says, I want to join, I want to do this. So you attached, or in this day of our training, you're going to get just a guide of how you kind of talk to people next. So when they say, I want to do it, well, what do we do next? So I have a little guide, a little system that I follow, and I ask people basic questions. I get their answers, and I say, okay, I have the perfect thing for you. I just need your email address because I'm going to email you these things, and it's going to be a pretty detailed email just so you understand what I do, how I can help, and then what is going to be included in this process for you. So I grab their email. You want to get their email because you need to be building an email list as a business owner and an entrepreneur. I know that those steps sound kind of crazy and sound like, well, why can't I just give them my website and tell them to go get it? Well, because I've done that and it doesn't work. People don't do what they're supposed to do. And I still, to this day, when people don't follow my instructions, they actually give credit to other coaches because they sign up on teambeachbody.com and they've been assigned a coach and it's not me. And so this is why it's critical to develop a relationship so they trust you and then they follow specific steps. So not only do you not want to just send them over and have them purchase things, but you've got to build that trust so they trust you and they actually follow through with the process. So not only follow through with purchasing from you, but follow through to get their results. That's what it's about. So you've got to build that trust up front. So this email is going to give you an email list for people that you can send amazing things to, like newsletters and promotions and different things. So you got to get that email. But in the email, I send them a detailed explanation of who I am, all about me, and what I can do to help them. And then I also give them some details on what's included in a challenge pack. So I have these email scripts, and they're yours. You are going to change them up to make it your own, and then you're going to send that email to every single person that asks for information from you. You don't have to change anything. You just follow the script, you change up a few words, and you send a formal, professional email to all the people who ask you. If you set yourself up as a professional from the beginning, you will be treated like a professional from the beginning. I was too much of a hobby coach and did not do things formally, and people didn't take me serious. So I'm just telling you up front, you have to be very careful with not doing things formally. So in every single email that I send everyone, I send them the promo video that is found in your online office under the video library. It's on the home screen all the way to the bottom right. I hope you have a pen out and you're writing this stuff down. Hopefully I'm not talking too fast, but on the bottom right is the video library. And there you're going to find every single video that Beachbody has about every single product and program. I send them the link to the program that I am specifically recommending for them, and you're going to attach that. You're going to put that at the bottom of your email after you explain what comes in a challenge pack. So, and then after that, I send them 2 links from Shakeology because I want them to know what they're drinking and why it's so important in the process, because probably the number one objection you're going to get is that people just want the program. They don't want to mess with Shakeology. So I will say that Shakeology is the bread and butter of our business. You have to lead with that, actually, because in all reality, the programs change. If they want something consistent to get them long-lasting results, it's not going to be our programs. Why? Because our programs are only 21 days, 30 days, 60 days, and then what's next? But if you're consistently fueling yourself with the nutrition along the way, then that's what's going to continue to get you results. So Shakeology should be the number one thing that we are promoting as a Beachbody coach because it is, number one, it's going to get those people their results over time, but it's also your residual income. So when they're on Shakeology every month, you're going to get a piece of that, a cut of that commission. So that's what you're going to do for everyone. And then you're going to set up a phone call with them. So if they don't want to take a phone call, they don't have time, that's fine. But you need to offer a phone call to everybody. And hopefully, if you have experience with me, you know that I have offered you a phone call. And it's good to hear someone's voice and to answer all their questions. And then after that, you've got 2 options. You can either get on your mobile app, which I will show you, and you can enroll them. If they've never been a Beachbody Coach customer before, you can enroll them yourself by literally putting in their email address, picking their program, picking their Shakeology, and hitting enter, and you have signed them up. And then the email will go to their email address, and all they have to do is confirm it and pay for it, and then they're all set up. That's probably the best way to do this. If they are an existing customer, you have to have them call customer service and change their coach to you. The reason you need to do that is because every purchase they make will be going to another coach for commission. And clearly, if you're helping them, they need to be willing to change their coach. If they're not willing to change their coach for your help, in my opinion, I would say that you have a coach, maybe we can work together at a different time. Maybe this isn't a good time. That's generally what I say when people aren't willing to do what I'm asking them to do. Just say, you know what, we have another group. It sounds like maybe you're not ready, and that's okay. And we'll touch base next month. I'll follow up with you. And that's what I do with everybody who says no, is I say, oh, that's no problem at all. So I keep moving on. I don't worry about those people. And so you are going to either sign them up that way, or you can copy the link to where the challenge pack would be purchased on your website and give them that direct link. You don't want to give them your website because they're going to get lost and then they're going to not purchase. So you want to be very specific on the links that you have. In our team page, we actually have every link to the promo video and every link to a challenge pack. So you're covered. You just need to go to the Fit Team website or Facebook page, and you need to find that. So that's where you're going to find those links. You need to make sure you know where that file is so you can copy and paste everything to everybody. So those are your options. That's where you're going to send people and how you're going to handle people when they come to you. So for you, in order to get to that place for people to go to your website, you need to get that website set up. So this is your assignment for today. I need you to give me what your coach ID number is. I need you to go in your back office, and I need you to look under My Websites. It's up at the top. And you're going to alter those websites with your picture and your information. Once you've done that, then you want to post that what your coach and that you are done setting up your website. Okay, that should set you up for today. And I know it's a lot of information. Please post and comment with your questions to me. I would really appreciate it so I know where you're at in this process. And I hope you have a rest of your day is wonderful. Talk to you soon. Bye.